Are you a new life insurance agent or a Medicare insurance agent and you're just straight up frustrated and you're just sick of things just getting messed up all the time? Let me share with you a couple tips that I hope will help you, because when you're an insurance agent, you gotta remain flexible, okay? Flexibility is huge. Nothing will stay the same, okay? If you're an insurance agent and you expect it to stay the same, let me tell you, I hope you're in for a ride, because things will move, okay? Insurance always has little moving parts. It just will. Carriers will change, okay? Rates may change, okay? Your lead situation may change. Your product and offering will most likely always change over time. It's so important that in this industry, if you want to make it and survive and thrive, it's very wise to be flexible. Those that don't make it in this industry are very rigid, okay? They don't want to change for anybody. And it doesn't mean that you don't practice and drill and rehearse and stay focused and stay on your game, but it is also important that you remain flexible, so as the industry adjusts a little bit, you get used to the colors. The industry sometimes feels like a Rubik's Cube. It's the same square shape, but the colors change a little bit as things transition. Sometimes you'll have a favorite carrier that, let's say this carrier always used to sell long-term care insurance, for example, and then all of a sudden they sold a lifetime product, and if that was your business model and then they got rid of it, woo, you just feel like someone pulled the blanket off you in the middle of the morning. You're cold and not happy, right? This will happen even in the insurance industry. That's why it's important to have many different offerings. That's why it's important to not be a one-trick pony. It's so wise to be a broker, to be an independent insurance agent, so that you've got a greater value proposition for your consumer. Because let me tell you, things won't always stay the same. It won't. You're going to have hiccups in your career that you don't like, you don't appreciate. But it's all right, as long as you know that things are going to change a little bit and you've got a good person that's looking over you and looking out for you before it happens. It's not scary because you've got things in proper alignment. JasonFinalExpense.com. I partner with some of the most amazing agents on this planet, and it is a lot of fun. We do some great things together, and we train hard. But we also are always in a state of preparation. Because, for example, when one of the insurance carriers that used to take people up to age 80 dropped it to age 75, no big deal, we were ready, all right? When a lead vendor goes poof and they pop smoke and they're gone, we are prepared, we are ready. Be ready for change. It will take place. It's not a big deal. I hope that the agency that you partner with or whatever you're doing, you're ready in the industry, but also ready in your career. Be flexible, all right? Don't be so rigid. Things will be moving, okay? Products that you love will be gone. Medicare Advantage that maybe you liked, maybe it's going to go away. Maybe that favorite plan from XYZ company was the best medical insurance on the market, and then now they don't offer it anymore. It's gone. Just be ready for it. And when it happens, be ready to transition to another product offering if you do medical insurance. Just be prepared. If you sell life insurance, like what I do a ton of, as well as medical insurance and annuities and all that fun stuff, but I do a ton of life insurance, a ton of final expense life insurance, and I do it over the phone in the telespace. It's the best way to compress time and maximize opportunity for your clients, but also profitability. So when you are in life insurance, you've got to have a big arsenal. You've got to have lots of different carriers. Doesn't mean you have to have all of them, but you got to have the good ones. And let me tell you, there's some really good carriers out there that are amazing. You got to make sure you got the right ones and you're ready. You need a one-call close, and you need a company that will give you an instant decision, not a wait. Okay, if you're working for a company that is giving you amendments all the time, you're going to lose money. You're going to have clients that aren't happy with you. So just be flexible. Have a big enough offering, okay, of companies that it's no big deal. If one company goes bloop, you got lots of legs on the stool, right? But be flexible, be pliable. Today I was on a Zoom call, got training some amazing reps. We were having fun together, and guess what? The Zoom went to heck. It was horrible, okay? It was so bad. But guess what? We were flexible. We got on an old school Three-way phone call, four-way phone call. I had two phones talking to two phones, and guess what? We made do, and we still got the job done. So be okay modifying things to get the finished product that you desire, not only for your consumer, but also for you, and it'll keep you in your business longer, okay? Another tip that will help you to remain flexible is to get in a state of learning, okay? When you sell one product, if you're only selling one product, it's so important that you understand different product offerings. Make sure if you're selling, let's say, Prosperity Life, make sure you understand how to sell maybe a Royal Neighbors or maybe a Liberty or, maybe an AM or whatever your company is, an AIG. There's lots of different companies out there that are amazing, okay? But make sure you understand how to sell more than one product offering, because if things change in a little way, you want to make sure that you're ready. So if you don't partner with someone like myself at jasonfinalexpense.com, make sure that you are putting yourself into a position to succeed and dominate the industry for the sake of your consumer, so that you can make the wise decisions in serving people, that you can help them in a portfolio that's pro-client. Make sure that you're ready, okay? If you're ready for change, it's no big deal. If a carrier changes things, no big problem. If, a vendor changes, no big deal. You're already ready for it. Make sure that you're not making little things the big thing. It's really easy in this space to let little things overwhelm you. When you become rigid, it'll just harm you, because now you're like being weaned on a dill pickle of negativity, and that's not going to help you. Be optimistic. Be optimistic about your opportunity. Be optimistic in how you serve your clients, okay? And be optimistic in the value that you bring, and make sure that you're skilling up using proven power scripts, but more importantly, putting the needs of your consumers before your own. If you have things in that way, you will have a successful career, a more flexible career that will allow you to span time and stay in this time-tested profession. If you need help, reach out. My information's in the description. I hope you guys had a phenomenal day. It is Wednesday. I hope you guys are prepared. I hope this brings you value. Have a great day today. Have a better day tomorrow, and we will get after it and take care of good people. Have a good one, you guys. Thanks for watching.